Welcome to Yankee Candles, the world's largest candle store. This place has over 400,000 candles, hundreds of different scents. It is the size of a mini mall, and there's tons of different rooms inside of this candle store.
And they also have King Candle, one of the world's largest candles.
Alright, so we're gonna start the video off here in the Candle Emporium, where there are hundreds and hundreds of different scents. Two of my favorite candles are right here. This one is the chocolate layer cake. I honestly feel like I could eat it. It smells so good. And on this side over here, you have vanilla cupcake, which is another one of my personal favorites. All in the center here are a bunch of these mini candles that you can smell. Here, try this one out. That was not funny. On to the next room in Yankee Candles, but before I show you, I actually brought a friend along. I don't know where he is. Let's go find him. I've been looking around for a few minutes, and the closest I can get to finding him is this guy right here. I found a bunch more of these guys that look like Dimitri. Maybe they're his brothers or cousins or something. Oh. So Dimitri also has a vlogging camera, as you can see, and both of us are gonna be recording for the next few hours. And this room right here is quite amazing. It's like an indoor cafe. It kind of reminds me of the Rainforest Cafe, if any of you have been here. There's a bunch of trees all around, a nice water fountain.
What's going on? Dimitri the Peach here. We're in the Yankee Candle Cafe right now. There's a lot of candles up in here. We got this area, nice. They got some food up in here. It's delicious.
Bro, I saw that kiss. Mate.
I'm just talking about how delicious these candles smell. I'm about to eat one.
Which one was your favorite again?
Oh, the chocolate fudge, I think that's the one. Tastes just like chocolate. I would know because I tasted it.
Okay, now we have entered the candy area.
We're in the Yankee Candle candy room. There's so much candy in here, I just might as well explode.
This guy. You literally just said that we're in the candy room.
There's so much candy.
And he's going on a boat.
I'm going to take you on an adventure. Kuba, don't spoil it. You know, I usually go by Dimitri, but sometimes I also go by Captain Dimitri.
This guy has an ego the size of this gumball machine. That's what I'm gonna say.
When I'm on the high waters.
If I was younger, I'd be eating so much of this. I'm trying to be healthier. I'm not very good at being healthy. Fellow YouTuber over there, Dimitri the Peach. Look at this guy.
Got some for Kuba. I think this would really fit in this room.
You're a kid. Is it even recording?
Yeah, it was.
I don't think it was, mate.
Oh my, this is an amazing candy room. Top 10 candy rooms I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh, and I just figured out what I want to get Kuba for his birthday. Guys, don't you think this would look amazing on Kuba? A little bow for him as well. We have to complete the whole outfit, so I think maybe some shorts for Kuba. You get him, maybe a baseball cap, but he doesn't really like baseball. He's not much of a baseball guy. He's more of a, tutu ballerina kind of guy. Yeah, relax.
Dimitri, how much candy did you eat, be honest?
Probably like 6.5 pounds worth of candy.
I'm not gonna call you fat, but
I work out, it's okay.
All right, so here is the toys room. This is really cool. I like it. A lot of toys spread out all around the place. This place has a bunch of these presents that are like rotating all around because this is also Santa's workshop. I'll show you really quick. On this side here is where Santa comes during Christmas time.
We've got also my favorite person in the entire world, besides my mother, Santa.
And they also have a timer up there of when Christmas is.
It is 346 days, 6 hours, 14 minutes, and 12 seconds until Christmas, guys.
I was just saying that.
Pumped.
I was just saying
that. I am absolutely riled up.
This guy is really close to the camera.
Guys, I am so riled up right now.
Oh, one of my favorite TV shows, The Office, has a clue game. Never knew that. And lastly, some horsies, if you're into that. Dimitri and I are entering the castle. I I call being the king, mate.
Okay, I'm the queen.
I'm in my king's throne here. Where I belong.
We've got a little grandfather clock. I'd love to have one in my apartment. Let's see what King Kuba is up to. Oh, King Kuba at his throne.
Oh, it's such a nice place to chill. Kids gotta act more mature.
Oh, we do?
We do.
No, what's wrong with acting like kids, bro?
Oh, they also got cookies. Dimitri, you wanna buy these, mate, for me?
No.
I mean, I deserve the best Christmas trees. This is golden right here. This is what I deserve in my castle. Oh my. There is an absolute stack of books. And also this guy. Dimitri.
Yeah. Oh.
It's another one of your cousins, mate.
Oh, my cousin.
Because I don't want people to think I'm bullying Dimitri. This is my cousin right here. I cannot lie, he scares me a little bit. But regardless, we're entering one of my favorite parts of Yankee Candle Village. You feel like you're in the dark. Hold on. I hear snow. 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 Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's snowing. It's legitimately snowing. Oh my goodness. It snows in here. Look at this. This room's amazing. I feel like a kid with all the snow. It makes me feel great, but I love this place. You feel like you're outdoors, legitimately.
Now we are in the Bavarian village of Yankee Candle. We took a little trip and we ended up in Germany. This is the largest Yankee Candle Christmas tree. Look at this guy. Wow. I can't even. That is a huge Christmas tree. Absolutely beautifully decked out. Love the ornaments, love the lights. It is absolutely majestic. Yankee Candle really went all out with this guy.
And on this side here, you have a bunch of these Christmas sets. I want some of these when I get older. This one here is my favorite.
Come with me. Under the woods. We've got, oh, look at these dressed up Santa Clauses.
And another massive candle room here. And they also have a little Easter egg. They have this train that runs through the entire store above. It's passing through right now.
Guys, I was told I only have 6 minutes, so I have to hit every single room in Yankee Candle, and this place is pretty big, so we gotta go fast. If you come with me, we have literally dozens and dozens of different candles. I've pretty much smelled almost all of them today. I found the holy grail of all Yankee Candles, my personal favorite, chocolate layer cake, guys. Let's take a smell. It smells just like chocolate. It literally smells just like chocolate layer cake. It's actually amazing. Oh, that smells good. That smells good. I am really this close to just eating this candle. Guys, I lost Kuba. I genuinely lost him in the Yankee Candle. I've asked for directions to get out of here. It's past closing and I can't manage to get out of Yankee Candle. Yeah, I'm looking for him too. He went that way? Oh no. His phone is dead. I can't even call him. I'll just stand here and then eventually I think he'll come find me. His name is Kuba? Alright, we're gonna call for Kuba.
Kuba, will you please make your way to the Kuba? Please make your way to check out your friend.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
On the channel.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna watch it on the channel.
Yeah, you find his YouTube. It's Kuba 101.
Yeah, that's what he told me.
Yeah.
What I watched.
If you enjoyed the video here in Yankee Candle's Village in Massachusetts, then you'll definitely like my video I did in the Pez factory. You can click right here to see that video.
Oh, and my favorite guy of all time, besides my father, is Santa Claus. Look at this guy. Look how cheery he looks. He's waving. Say hi to Santa Claus, guys. Hi, Santa.